7:56 p.m. same day.
So it's been a few hours. We got off at the station. Went to KFC, which is right by the station, and we got hot shots and Sprite. Then we felt a lot better. We met up with a friend, and then we took a rickshaw. And उस वक्त realize हुआ कि रिक्शा कितनी बड़ी privilege होती है. Having space is such a privilege. Private paratransit is such a privilege to have. और मेरी थोड़ी सी आंखें खुल गई एंड इट्स लाइक अ लिटिल बिट एम्बैरेसिंग कि इट टुक मी दिस एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मेरी आंखें खुलना. और
उसके अलावा we saw Chingchi as well. Could you describe the experience and why or why not you chose to not?
यार ऑनेस्टली आई वाज डाउन टू ट्राई इट, बिकॉज मैं चिंची में बैठी हुई हूँ, लेकिन मुझे बहुत टाइम हो गया है. व्हाई नॉट का सीन है, चिंची में कोई था नहीं रिक्शे वाला, लाइक बंदा नहीं था, तो हम पूछते किससे.
उनका फिक्स्ड रूट भी होता है ना, इज माय थिंग कि वो इधर उधर जा नहीं सकते. बिकॉज विद द प्राइवेट रिक्शा यू कैन टेल हिम टू गो एग्जैक्टली देयर. विद दैट ही ड्रॉप अस थोड़ा दूर.
यार द थिंग इज माय पर्सनल रीजंस फॉर नॉट टेकिंग द चिंची वाज बिकॉज उधर बंदा नहीं था, तो हम बात किससे करते, और सिर्फ एक ही चिंची नजर आया था मुझे.
नहीं, मुझे ये पहले नजर आया था.
मुझे और चिंची नहीं नजर आए. बट हाँ, बेसिकली रिक्शे में एक तरफ का हमने 100 रुपये दिए और एक तरफ का 150, विच इज़ लाइक thrice or more than 4 times as much as the bus cost. That was like a 5-minute drive that we paid that much money for. But I understand the price difference.
Yeah.
Rickshaw, yeah, the road infrastructure wasn't the best. There were a lot of potholes on the road and stuff. But like, I'm from Karachi, so that I was very unfazed by. I think what I'm really used to is feeling like the breezy ability to breathe and the space that a rickshaw provides. As we go, the bus is starting to fill up. We came into the bus feeling a lot better. It felt a lot more natural, even though this is my second time on the bus and Izza's like 4th.
I mean, आना जाना दोनों किया होगा, so maybe 6th, but still it's the same. I don't think you can, unless you're very consistent with it, get used to it. It's such a privilege, but I have my own car. So I'm used to the way, like you said, na, कि personal space bubble and just the fresh air वाली चीज़.
I feel like so far, maybe I'm speaking too soon क्योंकि हमें अभी गुजरे हुए फिर सिर्फ एक स्टेशन हुआ and we have to get to the 17th station. So we'll update you as it happens. But I feel pretty good right now. And I think at this point on the way here, I was already feeling bad.
Yeah.
So I don't know, it feels like chiller. I feel less stuffy. I smell less things and hear less things. So
Actually, yeah, I didn't even think about that.
yeah, I also think we had a really intense morning, to be fair. We were museum hopping. And
That's a normal morning for us.
that, yeah, fully. Like, she's not being sarcastic. That's what we do when we hang out together.
We consume like crazy.
We consuming. Consumerism won today. But हाँ, basically अब हम stations देख रहे हैं. The only tricky thing is the fact that we have to be very wary of when to get off, because the station that we're getting off at isn't the last station. Edged sort of thing, the space thing, because then you are also cut off from the public.
The privacy is both.
Privacy goes both ways when there's a strange man driving you around.
Yeah.
Like there's a lot of nuances to that also, class and respectability politics wise too, which make us distrustful of men who drive in drives or Yangos.
Yeah.
Or
But then there's also a long-standing history
a lot
of us making
fear
us
cultivated. Yeah.
fearful of men in general, irrespective.
And like the genderedness of spaces and stuff like that.
अभी हम झटके खा रहे हैं.
Which I'm pretty okay with so far.
I
अभी
think
हम एक और स्टेशन पे आए. Let's see how that goes.
we have the map pulled up. We're a lot better prepared for this, I
Yeah.
think. We psyched ourselves up. We're in a better headspace.
Yeah, and we're also rested. Like we didn't museum hop. अभी हमारा थोड़ा chill
I
time
had some
गुजरा है.
ice cream pieces.
I'm getting smushed now.
Oh, we got squeezed.
Oh, but
I think people are
coming
trying
off.
to leave as well.
That's a good kind of squeezing. Oh,
I love
beautiful.
when people squeeze to leave.
Oh, I love this. मजा आ गया.
It's like the bus inhales and exhales every single time.
Wait, that is beautiful.
Oh, hey, auntie crossed over to the men's side and she's sitting
Women
there.
in male-dominated fields. Period.
Go queen.
I just hope whenever the thing is, ये जो औरतों का सेक्शन इतना cramped है, जब भी ये स्लाइडिंग दरवाज़ा बंद होता है, मुझे थोड़ी सी टेंशन होती है उन लोगों के लिए जो दरवाजे के पास खड़े होते हैं.
Yeah, and people who need to use those as support rails because there aren't enough. Because there's hand on hand on the poles, bro.
Yeah, और
Just holding hands with a stranger so you don't fall.
Not enough support rails की बात ये है कि not enough space.
हाँ.
Support rails तो काफ़ी हैं, लेकिन it's just लोग जगह के हिसाब से ज़्यादा है. अब वो दोबारा जेब कतरों से हमें warn कर रहे हैं.
I think I'm all in a better headspace. Not that I had.
I'm so chill. We
इतना
had also had like a
trouble
more
coming
fun
here.
time ना. उस वक्त हम थोड़े time crunch पे थे कि अब जाना भी है. We had to meet up with a friend. This is basically the last leg of my flight.
Oh my
Of my
God.
trip. So yeah, तब हमें थोड़ी सी tension थी. अब all we have to do is get home and then decompress and then I have to leave.
How are we planning on decompressing?
Are we doing drag?
If we have time, if the packing is done, because you know we're not
Tokens
naming
तुम्हारे
names.
पास हैं?
हाँ मेरे पास. I think.
I feel like just being in a public space makes us saner.
Yeah, because when I scooped up in my room, I was going a little insane. But also, I feel like using the bus is a lot like touching grass in a lot of ways.
It's very grounding
It
experience.
is, yeah, I think that's what I meant to say.
Yeah.
That's the word I was looking
It's
for.
a humbling experience.
It's grounding for sure.
You are grounded, Iza.
Call me a wire.
What?
Grounded wire. Never mind.
I also think it's like time for people to go home rather than go other places now, especially women.
So it's a lot chiller. Okay, let's stop and see के next leg क्या है, just so we know where we are right now. We will be back. And
Okay,
we're
anyways,
back heading
yeah.
to Rahmanabad.
A few like 6-7 stations in out of our 17 station journey.
Sara and I talked about this कि how the पूरा जो metro की line है, there is a normal distribution of के कितनी traffic होती है. So while I think जब ये plan हुई थी शायद ये अब I have no idea how traffic engineering works, but I think ये linearly के हिसाब से होता है ना कि equal वो traffic होगा हर stop में. And that's not really the case because that's not how this works.
Yeah.
Towards the end,
Yeah.
like बिल्कुल ends पे it tapers off, and towards the middle it's the highest density. So there's more people coming in than there are going out, and then towards the end उस तरह हो जाता है.
You are true.
You are true. But I just think it would be interesting if you were to improve on this, for instance. Is that a thing कि I feel like needs to be considered कि बीच में appendages या कुछ चाहिए होंगे to strengthen the denser part?
Maybe moving the divider.
Because
maybe-
our experience is very कि women का वो. I have no idea what the men's side even looks like because I haven't turned around to look.
I think the easy and also very difficult solution would just be to increase the number of buses by a bit more क्योंकि I feel like the current number of buses does not reflect the demographic of the exact number of commuters that use the bus. I don't know, I'm not educated enough to know about how to model this exactly.
I think that would be very interesting.
That would be-
the network
if-
model of this would go crazy, go
If,
stupid.
yeah, if someone knows how to work this data, tell us, educate us because हमें भी नहीं पता है.
Yeah, the thing is
मुझे
कि
नहीं पता है personally.
working the data doesn't exist. The data
like, hypothetically,
isn't
how
being-
would it happen? How would it happen?
पहले तो collect करना पड़ेगा and पहले you'll have to collect it for a longer period of time. So at least a year, right? To look
And
at trends.
That's like just at least like
minimum.
क्योंकि seasons change and stuff.
But the fact it's been
I'm
operational.
sure सर्दियों में ज़्यादा लोग आते होंगे.
I don't actually know.
I don't know.
I can't speak to that.
Me neither, but पता नहीं. Actually, it's gotten a lot less stuffy now.
Yeah.
Most other people are sitting. We're two of the few people who are standing.
And like you can see idhar udhar. So
Yeah, and it
that's
smells nice.
क्या हुआ?
It smells nice. It smells
That's-
like body spray.
Yeah, but like not like Axe body spray.
Which
It's
is
not
what
a jump
Iza
scare.
smells like.
I'm sorry. I
Not
was
bad.
cosplaying.
Flashbacks.
Guys, this isn't me on the rag. Promise.
It's literally her on the rag.
Anyways,
Oh yeah, what I was saying was
Modeling-
सर्दियों वाली बात. Because I live in another country and I commute using public transport in another country, and I've done that all year round, just based on a personal observation, which I don't even know how grounded it is in statistics or stuff. In the family section of the metro, which is largely women and families, I see more people in the winter than I do in the summer. That is because the city gets really hot and unwalkable during the summer. I think I do see more people in the winter, but I do not agree to be quoted on this at all because this is purely observational. And I also only increased my use of public transport for the past year or so. So I don't know. That's
उससे
how I
पहले
feel.
what were you reliant on?
Uber. But the thing is, before I had a job, I used to live and study in a college town, and we had a free tram service. So I was using the free tram service all the time to commute between university and my dorms. When I would go out in large groups. So it would be like 4 or 5 people in one Uber. So we would like split it, and then the Uber would be cheaper than.
Update: the auntie in the men's section just got up and left. This was her stop.
Yeah, still like pretty chill. Like we were really expecting it to be more congested.
I think we were yeah, तो peak time भी था, and it was the Sunday, which to be fair is I think one of the worst.
I also think I saw like the amount of rush around the station and in the station, which made me think there would be more people on the buses. But it's pretty chill, and it's not a.
Maybe it helps if you expect the worst.
Maybe that helps, but it shouldn't be the case.
It isn't that bad, honestly. It's really
it's not
pleasant.
that bad. Again, like the quality of the bus is pretty much on par with buses I've been on, like Metrolink buses or similar buses that I've been on in other parts of the world. So
And honestly, as far as things go, it's very well maintained.
yeah,
The bus
there's,
itself.
there's like I see
The-
now that I have breathing space, I can see like surveillance cameras. There's overhead lighting. It's air conditioned well. There's good enough signage. I think that the
It's
map would
sanitary.
help.
Yeah.
Like अगर स्क्रीन ना भी लगाएं, मैप प्रिंटेड मैप लगा दें जगह जगह इधर तो
हाँ,
काफी
so
ज़्यादा
that's more than enough. We don't need the. Maybe we do need the lady speaking out, but the screen isn't really visible either.
I think both in tandem would be helpful क्योंकि अभी हम अपने फ़ोन पे खोल के देख रहे हैं.
हाँ. Speaking of, I think it's time to pause and check the map.
हमारे
कहाँ पहुँचे हैं?
हम आए हैं फैज़ाबाद. अब that's like station 10 of our 17 station.
It's the part we said we'd stop the podcast in, but I think it's a lot chiller right now.
Yeah, it emptied more. अभी सारी seats taken है, लेकिन now we are like 2 of the 5 people standing.
Yeah, I feel like we could have sat, but we're choosing not to because
Yeah,
it's chill.
Yeah, हम हट्टे कट्टे हैं जवान
Yeah.
लोग.
We say after passing out on the way here, that's so funny.
से ऐसा जोड़ों में दर्द हो रहा है.
I literally my knees hurt right now.
Actually same.
But you know what? This is why, because they're not used to hurting. Because like travel and transit has been made like
A
irresponsibly
luxury.
easy for me.
Yeah, same.
So no wonder.
अच्छा बेसिकली हमने गेम प्लान चेंज कर लिया है. वी आर गोइंग टू जस्ट लॉक इन व्हेन वी आर लाइक 15 स्टेशंस इन. सो
Yeah.
वी आर जस्ट हियरिंग फॉर व्हाट स्टेशन वी स्टॉप एट. बट हाँ काफ़ी चिल है, काफ़ी सांस आ रही है.
I'm okay. Hyperfixating on the data की बात जो हम कर रहे थे. I'm still
yeah.
thinking of the token system.
Beautiful.
Right, like I love the token system.
Yeah.
But also the Lahore Valley Metro has metro cards, like London
like
Metro.
Reusable ones.
Yeah. So
By
you
the way,
have
London
that.
Metro में you can just use your own debit card. You
Really?
You swipe your debit card at the turnstile, which I think is really smart and cool.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I was.
That's so crazy.
Because in Doha we have the card. We have special like a
Because
standard
I remember
card.
the yellow London Metro card was OG.
I don't. So the thing is, I went
That's
to London only
crazy.
last year.
हाँ नहीं, it's been a while. That's so cool.
You can swipe your card. In fact, I had my card from Qatar activated for MaxDrive activated for roaming.
Oh, you can do
And I for the longest time for my whole trip there, I was using my friend's card and paying her in cash, the way I'm doing with you here. One of my last few days there, I was just solo traveling and I accidentally swiped my Qatar card and it worked. So that's ridiculously easy, and that's very waste free. That's very इस तरह से.
मैं ये भी सोच रही हूँ कि पाकिस्तान we don't really go crazy on cards जितना we do on like easy पैसा या Jazz Cash type.
Yeah.
So things like that, like we could make this online and a lot easier because the lines
Yeah.
at the token lena or idhar dena or toll, I feel like a lot of this could be streamlined. I don't know how much of this congestion is because of that. I don't think usse itna fark padega, but I think it could eliminate at least.
I think the ticketing experience is pretty smooth.
It is
actually.
extremely
I
smooth.
also have another thing to say. Oh, by the way, the Easy Paisa thing you said, I think, and I could be wrong, but I think the London one also accepts like Apple Pay. So that's like
Oh, that's crazy.
touchless. Touchless नहीं वो
हाँ,
cardless
हाँ, हाँ.
situation. But पता नहीं, मैं गलत भी हो सकती हूँ. Maybe I'm just like now this is a maladaptive daydream that I'm
It sounds
materializing
like
into words.
that sounds like a good one.
एक और टोकन्स वाली चीज़ की बात यह है कि जब हमने ट्विटर में टोकन्स लिए थे, being the public transport nerd that I am, I was like मुझे रखना है, मुझे as a souvenir रखना है. But now I'm realizing कि जब हम नहीं रखते, you basically swipe it when you're entering the bus, and when you leave the bus and you're leaving the station, you
give it
deposit
back.
it into a
Yeah.
slot. I think
They
that is
reuse
beautiful
them.
and waste free.
That's what I.
And yeah, but souvenir. But like the thing is, when we other countries when they have like day passes and cards and stuff, that probably creates a lot of waste, especially like 1 day passes.
अच्छा वन डे पासिस का नहीं मेरे जहन में था कि जो रेगुलर कम्यूटर्स हैं बिकॉज हम तो एज अ वन ऑफ कर रहे हैं ना बट फॉर पीपल हु यूज दिस ऑन द रेगुलर मे बी लाइक टॉपिंग अप सो दे डोंट हैव टू कैरी कैश
Yeah, that is.
यू नो लाइक आई डोंट रियली नो अगर बिकॉज आई नेवर बीन इन अ पोजीशन वेयर आई हैड टू बी लाइक क्या आप
I
ऐसा
think
करते हैं
हो सकता है.
प्रॉब्ली डू
I think doable है क्योंकि उनका जो turnstile system है वो तो इसी तरह का लग रहा है जिसमें कार्ड आराम से काम करेगा
हाँ.
from the looks of it, but I could be wrong. क्योंकि मुझे उसकी इंजीनियरिंग
Also, like when I get the token, तो मेरे ज़हन में होता है कि ओ अच्छा कहाँ रखा है, and like reaching for it. So as a person who's really
also
stupid,
small and light.
yeah. So I feel like it would be so easy for someone like me to lose them. Oh, there's little kids, they're getting the metro alone. I love the safety aspect of this. I love to see so many women traveling alone with like kids and stuff. It's really, really nice to me.
ये तो सच है. I think अभी तक like काफ़ी uncongested है. हम खड़े हुए हैं लेकिन
हम chill हैं.
काफ़ी chill है. मुझे खड़े होने में से कोई मसला नहीं हो रहा क्योंकि हमारे अराउंड बहुत breathing space है.
And also AC भी चल. I think it could have been because it was peak दोपहर की गर्मी.
I think AC चल रहा था लेकिन वो human body heat की वजह से हमें गर्मी लग रही थी क्योंकि इतने ज़्यादा लोग थे.
Oh yeah. Also the धूप didn't help. It was
it was
garam.
really sunny in Philadelphia.
Yeah, we were greenhouse affecting inside the bus.
We were the cows.
It's all glass, by the way. So it's nice because you can see इधर उधर, and it's crazy because पहले हम secretariat से सदर जा रहे थे, and you saw the quality of each stop decrease, and अब हम सदर से secretariat जा रहे हैं,
Sorry, my neck just cracked.
and you looked like it was a good one.
Yeah, it was really good.
Ooh, lurch.
अभी हमें एक झटका लगा है but it gapped होगी.
It because that neck crack. I hope that was caught on audio.
Yes,
Ooh, tiles.
The tiles look
Tiles
incredible.
go crazy. Tiles go crazy. Go
Guys,
stupid.
follow Tile Repository on Instagram. Shameless plug.
Or Tile Repository, the real account. So
Identity
the better.
theft is so not a joke.
Anyways, because like if you go from Sadar to Secretariat, it's really iffy. But you see that the stations get a lot better. Even the
You see layers and layers of gentrification with each station we pass.
and it's a lot cleaner. Like they invest
more
a lot
trees
more.
and more grass.
Bro, in the just now also in सब में ये भी है कि escalators aren't functional in all of them. The lifts aren't functional in all of them.
Even the stop button, the emergency stop button on the buses we were talking about.
Yeah, जिसमें हम आ रहे थे उसमें नहीं था, इसमें है, but we don't know if it works, and I don't think it's legal to press one to find out. I don't
not
know.
illegal.
It's not like a fire escape, but
let's
no one
not
here
do
pushes it. So I don't even know if it's
I
functional.
do back in Qatar, I push it.
Yeah, because like in other buses people do, but यहाँ पे it's like I've seen
But that's
people
because
miss.
they don't stop at every station there, and it's not like in the buses the stations aren't like this. In the buses the stations are just landmarks.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Because the buses are a metro link situation, and not the actual
The metro itself.
Because the metro there is an MRT system.
हाँ यार लाहौर में भी है ना, उसका कार्ड सिस्टम मुझे अच्छा लगा है. I don't know. It's a lot faster as well.
Why didn't we try the Lahore metro when we queened out
मैंने
there?
उसके बाद ट्राई किया था पहली दफ़ा.
हम
On
साथ
my
भी
next
कर
trip.
सकते थे.
मुझे पता नहीं था. It wasn't clocking to me then.
I think you should read a collection of essays about the Orange Line in Lahore. I think it's a really nice collection of essays. I will name drop it somewhere
Yes,
for any
please.
listeners to read if there are any listeners.
Loser. If you're a loser and you know it, check the link in description जहाँ हमने शायद डाला
जहाँ
हो.
भी हमने कोई नाम या लिंक या कुछ डाली हो. I think there's an EPUB available online and it's a really good collection of essays.
Yes. Next Faizabad. It's not Faizabad. Easily confused. I paused.
No.
I paused, guys.
Fez Ahmed Fez?
You mean Faizabad?
Is this...
That was so bad. She laughed because she's delirious because she's having a good time on public transport.
I love public transport. So I am really glad that we're doing this all the way back. Honestly, like full disclosure, हम जब पहुंच गए थे सदर, उसके बाद हम सोच रहे थे कि हम वापसी पे मेट्रो करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि हमारा आते हुए थोड़ा सा अनकम्फी एक्सपीरियंस था. एंड वी वर लाइक हम करीम कर लें या कुछ इस तरह कर लें. बट लाइक नो, वी डिसाइडेड अगेंस्ट इट बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो थिंक जस्ट वन जर्नी doesn't merit like a full judgment of the system.
Yeah.
And I feel like this journey is proof of that.
Yeah. Also, sorry, accessibility की जिसमें मैं बात करी थी, I keep on losing my train of thought. They have these posters up saying कि we're making this so much more inclusive, and they have these wheelchair-friendly symbols everywhere. But that hasn't been my experience. Like, if I see the gates open, I mean, we haven't seen a woman on a wheelchair try to get on. But if she does, there's no space because you need extra space if you're meant to accommodate wheelchairs or just anyone else other than you. So you need a wide berth जो नहीं मिल रहा.
Elevators नहीं काम करते.
Elevators definitely नहीं काम कर रहे. Escalators कुछ stations के कर रहे हैं, कुछ के नहीं कर रहे. But how do you know?
But accessibility reasons की वजह से I think elevators are the bigger
Oh yeah, both.
provision.
I think both are equally
for-
because different disabilities. But the fact that they're advertised and they're supposed to be functional but they're not really well maintained is disappointing.
I fully agree, but also हमें बिल्कुल भी कोई सीन नहीं पता कि क्या कब खराब हुआ और क्या क्या हुआ है.
I know the budget that went into this, and I'm sure कि
She
जितना
is the local here for contact.
I guess a local. I don't really leave my house. I'm a local of my house. But I've read the EIA, and my friends did look up the receipts for the metro, so I know how much money this project said it would cost and then how much it actually costed, you know. So I have a lot of residual anger because of that. Also because Islamabad jitna budget leta hai, you can't fix the elevator. You had to customize that. You know, like get a grip, get your priorities right. I'm just saying. The thing that disappoints me is कि Karachi से आके I feel like, and any Karachi वाले feel free to shit on me. I'll decide if it's worth it when I read your comments. Like उधर से आके I think हम इतने नीवे नहीं होते हैं कि कोई भी हमें facility मिल जाए तो we're like, oh shit, this exists. We're so like on the back foot and grateful कि this even exists, कि अगर कोई गलती होती है हम बहुत जल्दी माफ़ कर लेते हैं. I think we should be holding these people a lot more accountable.
अच्छा मैं अभी सीधी कराची से आ रही हूँ तो मैं तो हो रही हूँ grateful.
Exactly, be a lot more angry कि ये आपने कहा हुआ है क्यों नहीं है.
कराची में ग्रीन लाइन है पर वो इस तरह से वेल कनेक्टेड नहीं है. यहाँ मुझे जब हमने मेरे पूरे 4 दिन से हम लोग कम्यूट करें गाड़ियों पे तो मुझे स्टेशन जगह जगह नज़र आ रहे हैं. इस तरह ग्रीन लाइन के नहीं आते तो आई जस्ट होप दैट दे एक्सपैंड ऑन द BRT system.
यार इस्लामाबाद का I think it's BRT to BRT because
it is no but हमारा BRT है but सिर्फ एक लाइन है और वो इतनी कराची के शहर का साइज भी तो देखो तुम और लोगों का नंबर भी तो देखो वहाँ पे. तो मतलब वो इतनी वेल कनेक्ट जगह जगह उसके ग्रीन लाइन के स्टेशन नहीं नजर आते क्योंकि नहीं है.
ब्रो ये वाली बसेस इन लोगों ने इम्पोर्ट की हैं एंड दे वर सो एक्सपेंसिव. दीज बसेस आर सो एक्सपेंसिव. नो वंडर दे मेंटेन देम. बट कराची के लिए एंड ये इस्लामाबाद में कम पड़ी. इस्लामाबाद हैज़ द लीस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ पीपल if you look at major cities. If you're just comparing between Islamabad, Karachi, Lahore, population density, I'm very sure इसकी सबसे कम है. I don't have the stats on me, but based on vibes, I'm very sure.
Of course, yeah.
तो yeah.
और कराची की तो objectively population सबसे ज़्यादा है.
The actual cost of if you were to do justice to a public transport system in either of those major cities is so abhorrently high कि no wonder they feel the need to half-ass it every single time. You can't possibly full-ass something like this. Okay, let's check what station we're at.
अब हम अपने स्टेशन से बस एक स्टेशन दूर हैं तो वी विल बी रैपिंग अप. अभी जैसा तुमने क्या कहा था?
चमन?
नहीं पराठेदार.
Because we've been yapping in English this whole time and we've been getting side-eyed by passengers because obviously this is an absurd sight. Oops. बच्चा आके गिरा है. But anyways,
हट जाओ.
हाँ आगे जा रहा है.
Isa got clocked by a little kid.
Sorry, but हाँ ये क्या पराठेदार इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं. Insert गाली. But we're trying to keep this podcast PG. I think.
वो टाइल देखो यार.
Goes crazy, goes stupid.
Anyways,
I love this one. यार देखो ना इस साइड पे कितना और बजट है सेक्रेटेरिएट की तरफ.
और
लिटरली. और उधर क्या था?
अब हमारा ये सफ़र अपने इख्तिताम पे पहुंच रहा है तो हम इस एपिसोड को भी एक इख्तिताम पे पहुंचा रहे हैं.
तुमने दिल पे ले लिया पराठेदार इंग्लिश. Look at you compensating so hard, bro.
अब हम आपसे अलविदा कहना चाहते हैं.
O level उर्दू queen.
God, I was good at it. And you can
I
tell.
believe you.
मेरा पीक ही वही था. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.